The SABER 500 Lumen Foldable Thin Light features a rotary switch to provide variable brightness of 100 to 500 lumens. The lightweight aluminum wand folds and pivots 180 degrees to focus light on the desired work area. It also includes a 100 lumen LED top light that provides an additional flashlight function. The built-in memory function records the brightness setting after 5 seconds, and that setting is recalled the next time the device is activated. A heavy-duty rotating hanging hook recesses into the bottom magnetic base. The tough impact-resistant ergonomic housing features a non-slip rubberized handle. Lithium-ion battery for longer life and consistent power. Battery indicator LEDs show the current battery level and charging progress. Includes USB Type-C charging cord and 5-volt AC wall adapter. Please visit atdtools.com for more information on this product, or to see the full line of SABER lighting.